Libra, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 14th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card I see for you is Three of Wands, King of Wands, and Nine of Swords. Person B here, they have King of Swords, the Magician card, and the Ten of Wands. Now bottom of the deck I have Seven of Pentacles, which means that there is a lot of patience required in order to tackle this particular relationship. Now from the first set of cards which shows your energy, I see you have Three of Wands. So Three of Wands means that you got stuck. You were waiting for your ships to come in. You were not able to take any action because you were stuck in maybe a situation or with somebody and you were just waiting for things to change. And that too, it needs to change positively for you. For person B here, I see their first card is King of Swords, which means that this person was waiting to have a very honest conversation with you. They want to go ahead and discuss facts with you, and if you beat around the bush, this person will cut you off and totally rip you off if you do not go ahead and discuss details with them. Okay, now we'll quickly go ahead and see what are the other two cards for you. The second card for you is the King of Wands and the Nine of Swords. King of Wands is a very magnetic, strong energy. It means that whatever you want, you will go ahead and get it. That's the energy that you have. And Nine of Swords is the energy where you are kind of stressed, you're a little exhausted, you feel that there's something which is causing you a lot of stress and anxiety and a lot of tension as well. For person B, their second and third cards are Magician card and the Ten of Wands. Magician card is a major arcana. This is kind of a tricky energy because the Magician energy is that energy where this person will command all the four elements to go ahead and make sure that things work in their favor. Now if this person wants to do something positive, they can use that energy in that form, but if they think of doing something negative, okay, they can also use this in a tricky way. The third card for this person is Ten of Wands, which means that there's something which is going to cause them a lot of stress and anxiety as well. Now with this, let's also see what is the intention that I see for this particular person for you. So the first card being Two of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. With Two of Pentacles, it means that this person may have been, handling two situations or two people at the same time. With Three of Cups, it could mean third party situation, and that's for only few of you. It could also mean that there's somebody who's trying to interfere in this relationship, and it's not necessarily a lover, it could be anybody. Okay, the third card here is King of Pentacles, which means that this person is very much focused about their pentacles, money. Okay, so there's something related to money which plays a major role in this particular relationship. Now with this, let's see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is hold your vision. Okay, so that's the message that I see for you. We'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we see from the archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Girasol Quartz. The crystal message is, have you noticed that people and situations are reflecting your feeling or thoughts? Pay attention to the messages these mirrors provide. Take stock of what work you need to do in order to improve your self-awareness and spiritual growth. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.